Today's trivia. Did you know? When we answer the phone, we typically greet the caller with the word hello. But what exactly is hello? Did you know that hello was not originally intended as a greeting, but rather it was the name of a woman? It is often claimed that Margaret Hello was the fiancée or beloved of Alexander Graham Bell, the inventor of the telephone. The word hello was allegedly the first word Bell uttered during the initial test of his invention. To this day, it remains the standard greeting when answering phone calls worldwide. However, historical records suggest a different story. The true origin of hello, etymology and usage. The word hello can be traced back to the early 1800s, derived from the word holla or hello, which were used as exclamations to attract attention. The Oxford English Dictionary indicates that the word hello was used in writing as early as 1827. Thomas Edison's contribution. Contrary to popular belief, it was Thomas Edison, not Alexander Graham Bell, who is credited with popularizing the use of hello as a telephone greeting. Bell preferred the term ahoy, which he initially used when answering the phone. Edison recommended hello as a more efficient way to begin a telephone conversation, and this practice quickly became widespread. Alexander Graham Bell's preference. Bell, who invented the telephone in 1876, used ahoy when answering calls. This term can still be seen in some naval communication. Adoption and standardization. The use of hello became more prevalent as the telephone network expanded and as Edison's recommendation gained traction. By the late 19th and early 20th centuries, hello had become the standard telephone greeting. Additional resources. Oxford English Dictionary for a detailed etymology of the word hello. Smithsonian Magazine offers an in-depth article on the history of the telephone and the evolution of telephone etiquette, including the adoption of hello. AT&T Archives contains historical documents and recordings related to the early days of telephone communication and the terminology used. Conclusion. While the charming story of Margaret Hello is an interesting anecdote, it is not supported by historical evidence. The true story behind hello as a telephone greeting highlights the contributions of both Alexander Graham Bell and Thomas Edison in shaping modern communication practices. Sources: Smithsonian Magazine, AT&T Archives,